Welcome to another video. Dito tayo sa World Trade sa MIAS, Manila International Auto Show 2026. Kasi I'm with the family. Ayan, yung dalawang magkapatid, then yung dad nila, andun na, nauna. So, they are planning to purchase a fleet of electric vehicles, no? Or PHEVs. Since itong show na to nakafocus sa electric vehicles or sa PHEVs, para one sitting, lahat makikita na nila. So they can choose for their office. So yun yung main purpose nila para sa office. Kasi nga the gas, di ba? Times 2 na ang increase. Sobrang mahal na. So yung cost nila ng gasoline nila sa office, nag-increase din. So lower margin. So nanggagaling sila sa business point of view. So sobrang daming tao, it's the first day. While ayoko talaga pupunta sa ganito dahil naguguluhan ako. Pero it's a need already. And there's a BYD showroom pa. So that's the purpose. Para lahat naka-showcase na, makapili sila. Para makita nila kung ano yung pwede sa specific needs nila. So right now we're in BYD. Sobrang daming tao, grabe. So this is the... Ano yan? Si Lion? Si Lion. Full electric o... Full electric ba to?
This one's a DMI, sir. This is Lion 6. We have 20.
Oh, may engine?
Yes.
PHEV. So ito yung may engine. Na PHEV. Kailangan kasi din nila ng isang kotse sa bahay. Pang errands. So one unit for them. Sa bahay. But mostly the other 10 is pang office nila, no? So that's the purpose for today. Kasi nga it's becoming a need. And ito, one of the most famous cars out there, na PHEV. There's a gasoline engine and there's the electric engine to accompany the car. In fairness, maganda rin talaga ang loob ng Sea Lion. You've got the aircon sa likod. Siyempre, the massive 16-inch ata screen and everything. Leather materials. Ganda ng upuan, no? Racing na racing. And with the huge panoramic sunroof. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-seater. 5-seater siya. Tapos malaki yung space sa likod. May upuan ba? Wala. Yeah. So, this is the, ayan, Sea Lion 6 pala. Ganda rin, itsura. Parang European. Ito yung sikat na pickup. Yan, sikat na Shark. Sikat na sikat yan. So, ito yung dad niya. Ito naman, I think this one is sa bahay. Kailangan nila ng isa to cut on fuel cost. Yun nga yun. So, yung dad niya, kailangan niya talaga sa office. So, grabe yung BYD. Ito yung pinakasikat kasi ngayon, no? So, the need is real. So, itong unit na to is 1.5 million daw. So again, this has the engine and the electric motor. Ganda ng loob, in fairness talaga. Napaka-sporty, Ito yung upuan. With the red stitching. Ma-impress ka talaga yun, Naka-piano black. Tapos ito rin, same with the Denza 9, yung crystal shifter. Pakasama ng hangin na ito. Stop. So yan, ito yung loob nun. 1.5 million. So long range. And meron din naman mga classics. Ito, electric na Mini Cooper. 2.7. Nakapat din, Lotus. So may mga ibang kotse rin naman. Customized, classics, mga modified, meron din naman ata. So tignan nyo gano'ng karami tao, grabe. So full. Right, so we are in sa labas. They have a tent and may mga truck EV na, which they also need, I think. Again, the gas cost, the diesel cost, sobrang mahal. So they're also checking, since may option na, meron na rin palang mga electric for the trucks. Photo niyan, marami rin silang photon actually, pero traditional ICE pa. So right now, they're checking the trucks. Meron din dito, 100% electric, Grabe rin talaga. Payload, 1 ton. 1.3 ton. DC charging, 1 hour. Range, 220 kilometers driving range. Pure electric.
Jen, pangalan?
Yan ang system niya. So yung battery tray nandito, that's the electric motor. One electric motor. Grabe rin talaga, no? Meron ding ulo. Yung mga naghahatak ng container. 100% full electric. By Photon din. Meron na rin, no? Sa China kasi meron na yun, no? So, ito yung laki ng charger nila, oh. So kung pang office, this big boy, panghatak ng container. Ito yata yung battery niya. Cooling system niya. Good. We are inside the truck. 100% electric. Ganda rin sa loob, oh. Ganda rin ang upuan niya, oh. Tracker na tracker, oh. Electric. Yung mga ulo. Yung naghihila ng containers, no? Grabe rin, ano? So, 200 kilometer driving range. Claim. 5 years warranty. 2 hours DC charging. 500 horsepower. Ito, ayan. Yung sister ni Mrs. tsaka yung dad. They're taking all the notes. Kasi nga, bibili sila. So, pag-aaralan nila, titirahan nila yung mga options. And we have so many options now. Andun, mga classic, the mga ICE or internal combustion engines. Sila Overland Kings andun, but ito yung electric. Singit natin, syempre, we are Land Cruiser enthusiasts. And there's a very beautiful LC80. Naka-overland setup. Laki ng condominium sa taas. Yan ang uso talaga ngayon. Grabe kulay na ito, napakaganda. Black. Ganda na LC80. Overland Kicks and Chef Angelo here. Ayan, the LC ito. Sa likuran natin sila. The owner of Overland Kings.
Sige, tara.
Ganda na yung LC200 na to. Chef JP in the house. One more view of this beautiful LC80. Napakabusog. Grabe Jurassic Park na, no? Solid. Here in Cary, business pa rin. We're discussing the range, computing for everything, yung matitipid. Ay, mga businessman, ganyan. May dala calculator. Finally, inside the venue. Grabing tao. Sobrang puno. Grabe, no? MG, hybrid, GAC, Jetour, Geely. It's all electric. So the electric craze is real. Tingnan yung tao, no? Gano'ng karami. Grabe, punong-puno itong MG, oh. Main attraction. They are featuring the Roadster MG. Electric Roadster. Sidester. So maghahanap na sila ng potential units for their office and sa bahay, I think. Pero this is what the event looks like, or the exhibit looks like. The AMG. There's the Roadster.
We proudly present to you the first
Grabe. So we are in the radar.
bigyan mo na ako today ng
Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. PHEV. Ito medyo mukhang Range Rover. Grabe. Ito pickup. Pickup pala yung isa.
kopya.
Pickup pala siya. First time I've seen the brand.
Gawa na ng schedule.
I realize may pickup pa pala. So they're showcasing the pickup. Here. 1.6 million. Ito, linkin ko, maganda itsura. Ito yung parang Lexus. Medyo high-end na ata ito eh. Pero PHEV. Yeah. May engine siya. So nasa medyo dulo tayo. Ito yung itsura. Ang dami nila. Grabe, mga unfamiliar brands. Pero to, Baik. Diba? Aito, Bago, Geely, Kia, nasa dulo na lang. Ang dami na talagang pumapasok. Ito na soon, no? It might replace the ICE. Baka yung mga internal combustion natin maging weekend cars na lang yun. Ano, you have the SUV, you have the pickups, the crossovers, the sedans. So minamatch na nila. No? Again, nag-trigger ngayon sa demand. As you can see, gano'ng karami tao is the rising cost of fuel. Ito, parang G-Wagon, no? Baik. Kala mo, ito, masyadong ginaya naman ng G-Wagon. B pa, kala mo Brabus. B80. Tindi naman na ito. No? Grabe naman to. Ayan. For a second, akala mo, this is the, pati yung bigat ng pintuan, G-Wagon. Yun lang yung downside sa kanila, no? Many of them, ginagaya masyado yung mga G-Wagon, mga Defender, yung itsura ba? It's good sana kung merong sariling design sila. No? Ito, simple lang naman sa loob. Pero from the outside, akala mo G-Wagon because of its boxy style. Oh, Brabus nga. Naka-Brabus kits nga. Si Baik. This is PHEV. Probably. Oh, pati likod oh. Grabe no. Kano kaya yan? Here in Photon, yan. Parang the counterpart of the Tourer. And then ito naman, pickup, parang Ram. Yung itsura. Parang ginaya nila US, no? We have a van here of the Photon. Iba na rin ang itsura, EV. Ito pure electric. I guess ito pure electric. Ayan natin yung loob, no? Kasi ito sila misis, ano rin yan. Yung dad niya gusto ng van. So this van is full electric. Tignan natin yung loob. Magkano raw? Full electric?
Yes.
Grabe. Anong range? Anong range ng full electric? 300? 300 talaga? 3.3. Mahal din ah. Mahal ah. 3 million? Ito mahal.
2.6.
2.6. Yung loob. Ayan. Spacious naman siya. Hindi ganun kaganda yung... pwede na yung upuan. 15 siguro yan.
Ganito talaga to.
Pero,
Yan, 300.
pure electric to. DC charging, 55 minutes. Para 100%.
Lahat mo sa bahay lang siya.
DC oh.
Pwede.
DC. 300 kilometer range. Ilang motor siya? Ilang motor niya? Isa lang? Motor type, 180 horsepower. Isa lang siguro. One motor. 180 horsepower. Full electric siya. Hindi, pagka city needs, pwede na siguro. City needs. Pero,
Pwede siya i-charge siya.
pero mahal.
Apat ko naman. Siyempre,
Ito lang. Ito yun talaga. No? Hindi ako fan ng ganyan style ng aircon. Gusto ko yung overhead. Pero yan, Photon offers this one.
Picturean yung bro.
Ito sa likod. If you need more space, pwedeng tiklop. Pwede na pang city siguro.
pang city.
Full electric siya. Meron full electric na van. Meron pala Photon. Spacious naman, no? Disc brake na rin. Itsura sa labas, don't mind the stickers or the decals. BEV. Tignan natin yung... curious tuloy ako, no? Ayan. Ganda naman yung upuan niya. So, ito yung loob. You have the screen, 12 inch. Ayan, simple lang naman siya. Hindi naman nakakaya dalhin, no? Hindi naman... Well, stylish naman. So, this one is a new brand for me. DFSK. I don't know kung ano to. Ngayon ko lang nakita. PHEV rin. So, motor and electric. Ito baka full...
Bibili ka ba?
Uy! Buhay ka ba? Ano yan? Saan ka? Ba't VIP?
Siyempre.
Our friend. Nandyan sila, misis.
Ba yan?
Tanggalin mo yung mask mo. Nagtatago ka na naman. This year, bibili rin ng gas, ay ng electric vehicle, ganun din, same natatakot sa gas, masyadong mahal, and he feels na hindi na rin bababa yung presyo ng gas. That's why he and his family is here. Gahanap daw sila na crossover na electric vehicle, no? So ito, another brand that I don't know, Best Tune ba to? Ewan ko. So kompleto rin, no? May crossover, to may maliit. Actually, meron na kaming Jetor sa ice cream sa bahay. So okay naman, nagagamit nila sa mga harabas, sa daily chores. Okay naman, ito full electric. So, Aeron car ba? So, this is the future. Electric. Wala nang combustion. Electric, ano? Ito, pure electric. Ano mo? Para siyang Odyssey, no? MPV na maliit. Yeah, pang errand eh. Pang school, pang family. Comfortable naman sa loob. Fairness din. Fairness, maganda rin talaga kasi yung itsura, no? That's how they get you. Tapos mura. Sabihin mo, gamitin mo ng 2 years, 3 years. Kung masira man, may warranty. Sana may parts, we don't know. Only time will tell. But as you can see, sa dami ng tao dito, panic buying is real. The demand is real. Lahat ng klaseng tao nandito. Checking out these cars. Ito, Geely naman. Sabi nila, okay na raw ang Geely dahil Geely. Dahil mayroon ng kasa, finally. So, ano ba yung offer nila? Geely, oh. Ba na rin itsura, oh.
Sure po, design konting
Crossover. Ito, naka-i-unveil pa siguro. This is the first day kasi. No? Ito, a new player din. Deepal. Grabe. Ito, maganda-ganda itsura. Parang Lamborghini, oh. Deepal SO7. Kala mo, Urus. Wild naman dito. No? Tapos meron silang off-road. So maraming off-road, no? Napapansin ko na yung offer. So the demand siguro for the off-road or SUV is really high. GR18. Oh, PHEV rin. Grabe itong kulit na ito. Oh. Akala mo, Urus to, high-end na to. Kaya tayo likod. Ganda rin. Parang pure electric, no? Ito naman, parang jeep. Yung may loob nito, no? Oo. Expensive materials din naman. Full leather. Grabe rin talaga. Ayan. Full leather. Lamig na aircon, no? Naka-aircon siya. GWM. Haval. Ito, heavy marketing din to ang Haval. No, nagtatap ka ng mga sikat na endorser celebrities. Ito yung boost nila. Laki. Grabe. So, meron ding unveiling happening. Look at the crowd. Pinapakita ko na sa inyo yung crowd para you guys can see that the demand is real, no? Love it or hate it, talagang tao bumibili na yan.
Thank you very much.
A GAC. The GAC.
Thank you very much, Mr. Paulo Del Rosario.
So, syempre, BYD and Densa hindi magpapatalo. They have the whole space for themselves. Ganyang kalaki. The star of the show. Tinitingnan nila, dito sila. They're checking this one out. The Seagull. Ganda rin talaga yung tsura eh, no? Yung parang Lambo na yung mata, the headlights. So the Seagull. Oh, spacious din. May space. I think it's the full electric. Ito, pambahay ito. Less than 1 million, 900,000. For this one, full electric. Ito, may wing to. Medyo sporty ginawa nila. Hindi ko alam kung ganyan talaga yan. No? Parang stock eh. Parang stock siya eh. No? Daming tao sa BYD. Grabe. Wild talaga. Hirap tumingin. So the Seagull, the range is 300 kilometers. Ay, layo na rin yun. Kaya ito yung loob, no? Yeah. Ito yung Seagull. Maluwag na rin naman. Dalawa kayo. Panghatid ng bata. Sa school. Errands. Pwede na, di ba? Less than 1 million, no? Grabe rin talaga. It's not a Lamborghini. It looks like a Lamborghini. Design pa. The E-Max 7. MPV na mas maliit. Blue metallic. We have the Atto 3. Dami na rin, no? Dami na rin nila. Ito pa, soccer mom. Ito pang soccer mom.
Ito yun, 7.
Captain chair. Captain chair pa rin.
The superior captain with captain chairs.
Apat. Pati likod, third row. Pero wala ka na space. Ito parang RAV4 nila. Ganda. Ganda ng upuan, no? Sporty ang upuan. Ito, trabaho. Ayan, sporty. Ayan yung price list nila. The Atto, nasa 1.5. The Shark, 2 million. The Tang, 2 million. E-Max 9, almost 3, may 2.6. And the Tang, 3.3. Ito naman yung mga, kung gusto mo ng fast charge sa bahay mo, pwede ka magpalagay ng ganyan. DC charging hub. So, we are about to leave the event. Grabe, this event is dominated by the Chinese car manufacturers, no? Talagang centered on the EVs, the PHEVs, cars, vehicles. As you can see, the crowd is real. Napakalaki ng crowd. Ang daming pumunta. Nakaka-overwhelm. Kahit ako, nagulat ako. Hindi ko kalahin kung maraming tao pupunta. CV. So, nakita na namin yung mga possible na pwedeng bilhin na replacement cars. And actually, pupunta kami ngayon sa may unit release tayo. Bumili na pala sila. Dongfeng ata, I don't know. Mamaya, tinan natin. Kukunin na namin isang electric car later, no? Ito yung isang tinitin din namin, the E-Max 9 ba ata to. Kasi perfect for family. PHEV rin, E-Max 9 yan. Almost 3 million. 3 million! Yan, no? So, that's the show for you! Finish of the vlog. Dito na kami sa Opus. So, bumili sila ng Wuling. Ito, ganito. Full electric. Pang office. Parang L300, no? Kargahan. So, fully sold na raw yan. Wala nang binibenta. Grabe. The businesses, no? They're buying also electric to cut on fuel cost. Malaki nga naman kasi matitipid mo. So, same sa kanila. Kumuha sila isa. Tapos may isa pa bukas kukunin, pambahay naman. Pero hindi ganito. Kotse naman ata. So they have this one also, yung maliliit. Pure electric. And iuwi na today. Kargahan. Can load anything. Ilan daw range niya? Kabisado. Oh. Pwede na. 250 range. Tapos bukas, ganito. Ang kukunin nila. Pamalit sa ice cream. Kasi yung ice cream, dadalhin na sa office. So this one, ito kay Anika. Panghatid sa school actually. Ganito yung binili.
No!
New car. Oh.
No, it's not the police officer.
It's cute.
I never
Here is the inside of the Wuling Sunlight. Ayan, charge. Diba? Ang ganda, no? RPM, oh. 100% battery, 300 kilometer range. It's true. Labig na aircon. Ayun, may aircon naman siya. So, pang office, no? Ayan, backing natin. May camera naman, no? Malaki, oh. Kasi hindi mo makikita yung likod, gawa niyan. Wala makita. Walang rear mirror. So, you depend on the camera. Point po sa akin. Yan. So, reverse natin yung kotse. Very light ang steering, surprisingly. Well, maliit lang naman ata ang mags niya.
Daddy, you didn't charge it.
Right! So, that's the video for you. Ito Wuling. Pang office, pang karga. Pamalit sa L300. 300 kilometers. Ingat, no? Doon tayo sa isa
I'm not driving.
So, that's the video. Thanks for watching. So, as you have seen, the demand for EVs is getting stronger and stronger and bigger, as you have seen in the show. Lahat sila nandito na. The Chinese manufacturers are coming in and offering an alternative for the fuel consumption nga. So, everybody's buying triggered by the what's happening worldwide, no? So, ako, hindi man ako fan pa ng EV talaga. But I think it's a need already. Siyempre, dyan pa rin tayo sa mga kotseng ganyan. Internal combustion engine. Dyan tayo, no? Pero, again, it would be nice to have one. So, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if di ka pa nakasubscribe. Thank you.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.